Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and smashing that notification bell. In this video, I'll be explaining how to use your phone as a webcam. During one of my previous videos, I explained how to use a green screen in Streamlabs OBS. And I got some comments asking how to use a phone as a webcam. I'll also leave that video in the description. I understand that during these times you have persons that are working from home, or some persons aren't working at all, and as a young streamer you have a lot of difficulties as it pertains to your budget. Well, in this video I'll be explaining how to use your phone, mainly your iPhone or your Android phone, as a webcam. Unfortunately, this program can only be used on Linux and Windows. Sorry Mac users, this video is not for you. However, if you're a Mac user and you have a program that can be used on Mac, leave it in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. Let's get over to the video. So moving right into the video, guys. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to download DroidCam on your iOS and also your Android device and also your PC. Let me show you how to do that. So you'll just go into your browser and search DroidCam. It's as easy as that, and click download. For the purpose of this video, I've already downloaded it. It should start in a minute, and you can just go from here. Let's go. And there you go, guys, and just follow your prompts. Then you'll open DroidCam. Get over here. The next thing that I need to tell you, DroidCam can be connected wirelessly or wired. Wirelessly, you can connect your phone and also your PC to the same Wi-Fi and match up the IP addresses, as you can see here, which is blurred. Next thing is to press start, and there you go. It's as easy as that, guys. And there you go, you have a webcam. You can put in OBS to do your streams, put into Zoom for your meetings. Simple and easy. There we have it.